YouTube is one of the most popular video streaming platforms in the world right now. It's available for free and it offers a lot of creator and user-friendly features. One of those features is the ability to add chapters in your videos that allows users to get to a specific part in the video rather quickly. My name is Abdi, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can add chapters to your YouTube videos. Now there are two ways of adding chapters to your YouTube videos. You can either do it manually or automatic. In order to do it manually, open your YouTube Studio and click on Content. Now click on the pencil icon below the video that you want to add the chapters to, and when you get to the description, simply start writing the chapters away. Once you're done writing the chapters, click the save button and you're good to go. Now if you load up the video, you should see the chapters underneath. As you can see, this video already has the chapters that we defined, and you can refer to them using either the timeline of the video or the description. Now if you want to add chapters automatically to each video, you just need to enable a simple setting. Once again, open your YouTube Studio and head over to Content. Once you're in Content, click the pencil icon below the video that you want to add the chapters to and scroll all the way down to see the Show More button. Click on Show More and make sure that under Automatic Chapters, Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments checkbox is enabled. Once you're done, click the save button and you should see the chapters show up on your video. Now you can also add chapters to your videos using your phone. All you have to do is take your phone, open the YouTube Studio app, tap on the video that you want to add the chapters to, and then tap the pencil icon on the top right. Tap the description and start typing away the chapters in the format shown in the video. Once you're done typing your chapters, go back, tap the save button, refresh the page and watch the video, and it should already have the chapters that you're looking for. Now you can switch between these chapters either from the video itself, from the description, or from the chapters window that you see on your screen. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments below if you want to see more such content. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.